Hello guys, in today's video I will tell you how to see Nvidia control panel display settings and help you figure out all the problems you can solve. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you did, let's dive in. First thing I need to do is to make sure my actual graphics card is connected to my PC. For that, I will go into Device Manager, and if you can't actually access Device Manager, you can always go into here, select Devices and Voice, select Devices again, and then select your desktop PC right here. You can just double click it, and then you can see, of course, hardware on it. Here, it will have all the hardware information you need. For example, I will see my CPU, and if I go a little more, I will see my USB drives and everything, my microphone, my Ethernet adapters and everything. But when I go down enough, I will of course also see my graphics card. It also says that it works normally and perfectly. So right now I know that my GPU actually works greatly. After doing that, and if you still can't see your, of course, Nvidia settings after that, I would suggest you just go and use GeForce Experience, because GeForce Experience lets you actually update the drivers super easily. For that, all you have to do is just download the application, open it, and after you open it, just select drivers right here, and then you can just keep yourself updated and just download the latest version to make sure your GPU works as good as possible. And when I know that everything works perfectly, I will just right click on an empty space. And when that happens, I will select Nvidia control panel. And of course, after it happens, I will be able to change any settings on my computer and do whatever I want with the computer, since right now it works perfectly and works without any problem. I can change any 3D settings, I can change any monitor settings, and I can change any video settings as well. So I hope this video helped you guys. We hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.